Hello, this is Mohr's circle, example problem, compression and compression number 2. So you can see here, both of these, on both surfaces, are in compression. So on this vertical surface here, set those compression right away, you have 70 megapascals, calculate your shear, okay, you have 25, that's pulling it in the clockwise direction. The horizontal, you have 120 in compression. Okay, so to come up with your points to plot, on the vertical surface, you can see it's going to be negative 70 because compression is negative. You already established that's 25 clockwise, so it's positive. Horizontal surface, negative 120, and it's going to be 25 this time, going counterclockwise. Okay, time to calculate the center of the circle and then the radius of the circle, where you can see the equation up here. It's basically the average of the two surface sigma values, and then here's the equation for the radius. Calculating these out, you should get a center value of negative 95 and a radius of 35, or close to it. These values are all going to be rounded to whole integers. Okay, so here's our Mohr's circle. You can see everything is in the negative because both stresses on that stress element are compressive. So we have sigma P1 here, sigma P2 here, where P2 is the most negative. We can calculate those values with here, where it's really just the center of the circle plus or minus its radius. So you're going to get a value. Sigma P1 is going to be negative 60 rounded, and P2 is negative 136, or 130. Okay, where you can see P2 is much more than negative. Tau P, like usual, is the same value as the radius. It's just the radius directly up. Tau max is different from tau P. You can see tau max relies on this larger circle that goes from the maximum to the minimum, where the maximum is 0 and the minimum is your P2, so negative 130. You can see the equation for this right here. So you should calculate that out to be 65. Your theta P goes from the vertical point here down to your P1. That corresponds to this case here. And you can see because it's going clockwise towards the negative, it's going to be a negative angle. And you should be able to calculate your theta P to come out to be negative 23. Round it up. Okay, that's it.